Okay, let's go with the different tabs. Okay, first we have the file tab. File tabs in that we have the home, new, open, get at in, info, save as, print, share, export, close, accounts and options. Okay, home, new, open and accounts and options. We already saw when we are launch our window. Okay, let me give the small recap. Home is a combination about new and open. Inside of new, you can see the blank presentation we have and the predefined templates. Okay, so you can see the home again, blank presentation and predefined template. When I am clicking on home, you can see the open. In open, whatever the previously I created PPTs, I can again reopen. So you can see when I'm going to the home, you can see there is a recently whatever I opened. So that's why I'm saying home is a combination. Home is a combination about new and open tab. Okay. Getting feature, we are where we are learning in home tab over here. Okay. So let's skip right now for this add-in. Okay. Again, I'm going to the file info. Info tab is defined what about information related to the my file, okay, or I can say the presentation. Again, there is a important things. A protected presentation means, if I want to protect my file, I want to give my password, I can give that. You can see how. Just click over here, protected presentation. Okay, go to the second option, encrypt with the power encrypt with the password. Okay, click over here, give the password Rohit. Okay, I'm just using my name. Okay, and just say okay. They are asking about retype your password. Type or again password and just say okay. So this is right now my file is protected, and let me save also, because if we cannot save, it's not showing in our files. Okay, let me save as in desktop, and let me give as a name try. Okay, and just save. So this is try PPT are saved. Okay, let me close and let me again reopen. See, try is over here. Double clicking and I'm trying to open. Right now there is a password. Okay, let me type my password Rohit and just say okay. So my presentation are open. So this is the way we can give a password for our presentation. Okay, done. After that, another a tab that's called a save. There is a different tabs, save as and save as we are using for if suppose we are saving first time, and save we are using if already existed one. Okay, and we time to time we are only using a save. Okay, after print, if you want any hard copy is a physically, you need to uh, click on a print. Okay, share option, if you want to share anyone to your PowerPoint presentation, you can share that. You can see there is option email, click on email, say send as an attachment. You can see right now it's attachment with the Outlook. So whatever the file you have, it will be automatically attached it, and you can write whatever the content you have. So this is all about how you can send a file or share your file to anyone. Okay, let me say cancel it. I don't want to do. I don't want to send anyone. Okay. After that, export. Export means if suppose I want to export my presentation in PDF format, I can save that. Even if suppose I want to make a video, I can make a video also. If I want to make a store in a CD, I can use as the CD package also. There are lot of times, a lot of types. Okay, let's go. Close is normal. Close is close my application. I am showing in the last end. Accounts means it's like who are the handling of account and everything as similar. I already spoke about this. Even the options also I spoke. If suppose I want to do any changes with the quick access toolbar, I can do a changes with this. Okay, so this is all about recap of file tab. Okay, so this is the complete file tab is done. Let me stop the video.